Hello there. If you clicked on this video, you want to reduce the number of tangles you're getting when you're casting your fly rod. And this really does help a ton, especially if you're using an indicator and nymph setup, and sometimes you're using an indicator and two fly setup. This casting technique works for dry flies, dry fly droppers, indicator setups, streamers, sinking lines, which all traditionally can be tough to cast by using a traditional cast. A lot of times, and I thought this myself when I first started fly fishing, I thought fly fishing was all about doing the false cast. Well, if you do that type of cast with a double nymph setup like I have here, plus a great big indicator, you're going to be far more likely to get this tangled. So, the kind of cast that you want to do is what's called a pick up and lay down cast. And it's simple as that, right? It's either called water loading, pick up and lay down. So get plenty of line out like I'm doing here. And you're gonna pick it up and just set it down. And then right when everything hits the water and you know things are looking good, right? Because you can see the splash of your indicator and then the two flies beyond it, you know that things aren't gonna get tangled up. You pick it up, you lay it down. You pick it up and you lay it down. And you pick it up and you lay it down. And it really is that easy, and it'll reduce your tangles by 90%. So there's something else I want to show you that I'm doing with my non-casting hand, right? When you're ready to pick up this whole setup, this is called a single haul, right? Pull down on the line while picking up the rod, like this. That helps load the rod and gets all the slack out immediately when you go to cast. So get a straight line, pull down, and then cast. Pull down, and then cast. And you can cast a double nymph setup with very few tangles using what's called the pick up and lay down cast or water loading. So try that the next time you're out fly fishing. Don't false cast so much. Do this and you'll have a lot fewer tangles. All right, and if you need a little more help with your cast, your basic fly cast, check out this video right here, 8 minutes, and I promise you, you'll be able to cast that fly rod a little bit better than you are today. All right, everybody, till the next time, fish on.